Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're a Walmart shopper, you know how crucial it is to have the right delivery address, especially with all the changes in 2025. Maybe you've moved houses, or you need to send a package to a friend. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through the simple steps to update your delivery address on Walmart. This guide is based on the latest updates for 2025, so let's dive right in and make your shopping experience smoother. First things first, open the Walmart website or app and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one quickly. It's free and takes just a minute. Once logged in, head to the Account section. On the website, look for the profile icon in the top right corner. On the app, it's usually in the bottom navigation bar. Next, navigate to Addresses or Delivery Addresses under your account settings. This is where Walmart stores all your saved locations for easy access. If you see the address you want to change, click on it to edit. You'll be prompted to enter the new details, like street, city, state, zip code, and any apartment numbers. Double-check everything for accuracy to avoid delivery delays. Nothing worse than a package going to the wrong place. After updating the information, hit Save or Update Address. If you're changing it for a specific order that's already in progress, go to your Orders page and look for the option to edit the shipping address there. Walmart's system is pretty user-friendly, but if you run into any hiccups, their help center has great resources. And that's it, you've successfully changed your delivery address on Walmart for 2025. This process should only take a couple of minutes and can save you a ton of hassle. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more everyday tech tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.